Hello everyone, so it's been a while since I have opened one of these and I got a good offer on this. I paid like 20 something pound for it, which is cheap for this, so yeah. I thought I would open another box, see what I get, see if it's anything decent. It's been so long since I've had a numbered card. I would love a little sneaky little numbered card. So okay, so packs. These are the team cards. Let's see which ones we get. Aston Martin, Mercedes, Haas, Sauber and Red Bull. I'll leave them till last because they're going to be our black edge card's going to be in there. So let's open these ones. We got anything good? Nothing decent in that one. Any coloured? No. Oscar, Esteban. We got no. We got Jack Crawford, for sure. Bottas, and yeah, same old in that one. So we got epic moments: Carlos Sainz, Perez, Lewis Hamilton, Miata, Tremaines, Hulkenberg, Gasly. You got the Viking card of Kevin Magnussen. Probably his last Formula 1 race coming up this weekend, so that's kind of sad. But yeah. Sophia Flitch, Oscar Piastri, Max Verstappen, Fernando Alonso, Isaac Hadjar, O'Sullivan, Zhou Guanyu, Red Bull and Williams. Dud pack right there. Come on, just a numbered card, anything. We got a pink parallel, which is something I suppose. We got Charles Leclerc, Daniel Ricciardo, Lewis Hamilton, Sergio Perez, Browning, Oliver Behrman, Alex Albon, Alpine pink card, and Zay Maloney. Got another rainbow card in there. So we got Fred Vasseur, Fittipaldi, Max Verstappen, Dufek, Alpine, Haas. We got the Michael Schumacher legend card. And then we got Andrea Stella and Fernando Alonso. Nothing in this one again. Piastri, Leclerc, Alonso, Bortoletto, Stanek, Pierre Gasly, Verstappen and Ferrari. Anything in this one? Another rainbow card. So we got Valtteri Bottas, Villa Gomez, Max Verstappen, Miata, Suzuka, I don't know how you pronounce his name, Bottas, Williams. We got the 100 card Lewis Hamilton, a rainbow card, pretty cool. And then we got Victor Martins and Oliver Behrman. Come on, something good. Another rainbow. Daniel Ricciardo, Carlos Sainz, Lewis Hamilton, Kimi Antonelli, this guy who I can never pronounce his name, Pierre Gasly, Alex Albon, and then the Thunder card for Oscar Piastri, and then Antonelli again. Pink parallel in this one. So we got Tommy Smith, Max Verstappen, first Lando Norris card of the video. Maine, Stanek, Bottas, Ocon, Carlos Sainz, pink parallel, Verstappen and Alpine. We got like 4 packs left and this has been dire. Come on, a numbered card of any description, please. I've opened so many of these and I've never had like a 1 of 1 or even like a, I think out of 199 is possibly the lowest that I've had. Or maybe out of 299. Anyway, Lando Norris, Perez, Hauger, Poche and Hedger. Oh, we got a signature style, so that's something. Please be a good one. So we got Daniel Ricciardo, Esterson, Charles Leclerc, O'Sullivan, Pierre Gasly. I feel like I've had this signature style so many times. There's like certain ones that you just get all the time, and like the Alpine drivers, just literally all the time. Another rainbow. Carlos Sainz, Lando Norris, Max Verstappen, Alonso, Shields, Gasly, Logan Sargent, the legend card for David Coulthard, and those 2. Last actual pack. And my word, this ain't been good. I'm glad that I didn't pay full price for this box. So RB, Charles Leclerc, Oliver Behrman, Barnard, Ocon. That's a pretty decent card, I guess, considering. We got the Andrea Kimi Antonelli, pink parallel. And then we got Paul Aaron and RB. And then we have these cards. I can't remember which one has the black edge card in it. It's that one, so I'll open that one last. These are just the same old kind of things. Zhou Guanyu, Lando Norris, Charles Leclerc Gold Edition. And then there's definitely a card I need to throw away here, and there it is. Okay, so Sauber on the back, Esterson, and oh, it's my first time getting the Max Verstappen black edge card. Decent. Has a little bit of a mark on it, not gonna lie. But yeah, pretty cool. So that's my first time getting the Max black edge card. Decent. So yeah, that's everything I got. Not the best box, but I didn't pay full price for it, but I can probably make the majority of my money back just on this card because it's Max Verstappen. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Adios.